Hey, how's it going? So my question kind of piggybacks off of the previous one. How much control do we have in the process as far as like if I noticed when I started doing more meditation, some of the symptoms got better, and then now it's like I do more meditation and it gets worse. Um, I guess is there any way to like make it go smoother in a sense?
Hmm.
And has anybody noticed any like changes in diet, like anything like weight gain or anything like that? Those are like my two questions.
Great. Thanks, Jack. And if you have something to share with Jack, you can also type in the chat as well. Um, so one way we can look at this is that meditation is not meant to minimize the phenomena that can arise. If anything, we can look at meditation as a space that we go where we allow phenomena to arise without causing chaos in our external lives. By phenomena, I mean spontaneous movements, emotions, crying, shaking, all sorts of things, memories from the past. So in meditation, sometimes when we sit and turn inwards, we create that distraction-free sort of space. A lot of content can begin to arise, a lot of phenomena can begin to arise. Our um, stability can be disturbed, but that doesn't mean that it's something going wrong. It's something being uh, uprooted. There's a transformation taking place. So it's not uncommon for people to go into meditation and actually to have the mind become noisier than when they were out of meditation, to actually have emotions become more amplified than when they were, say, walking about in the world. So not a problem, not a problem. If anything, the in one way we can look at it is the increased intensity in phenomena means that this is going to happen faster. So very low intensity phenomena, low intensity purification, it takes a long time. If it gets more intense, it happens much faster. It's one way that we can look at it. Of course, around that, we can engage in some things to help the process to go more smoothly through self-care, right? Just basic self-care things, avoiding consuming media that's just going to amplify our negative emotions unnecessarily. So violence on TV or being around people that are, constantly complaining and gossiping and draining your energy. All of those things can also, cause a little bit more chaos than necessary. Um, but overall, when we meditate, it's okay if things get more intense because meditation is a safe place for it to get more intense. If it can't get intense in meditation, then where is it going to get intense? There's no safer place, right, than just sitting by ourselves quietly with what's coming up. So that's what's coming to me to share. We'll see if somebody else has something else to share about, shifts in diet, maybe some other ideas here. So John's sharing here. My perspective on this would be redefining what better/worse means regarding this process and trusting the process. Yeah, I like that as well. Definitely, shifts in diet are very, very common. I know some people may be called to eat more. Some may be called to eat less. I did an interview with Paul Frederick a few weeks ago. He said that almost overnight he just lost the craving for junk food. He lost a lot of weight suddenly. There was a major shift. For others, they feel called to start eating more. It serves to ground them. So there's some different ideas around food there, but I hope that can help you a bit, Jack.